That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish, babe.
Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. We got an action-packed video ahead. We got on some bedfish at Possum Kingdom. It was a whole lot of fun. Water was very clear. It was a windy day, but we snuck in some coves and we got to where we could see some. And we got a couple of bites. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. Be sure and like it. If you like it, leave a comment. Subscribe to the channel. This is going to be the first video. Well, we spent 2 days at Possum Kingdom. This is 1 day of bedfish, and the next video's a little bit different, but definitely a lot of bass catches in that. So stay tuned, and I hope y'all enjoy it. I was throwing the shaded bank first. We're just gonna go to the sunny bank real quick. I'm gonna throw the frog. Hopefully there's some fish. Looks juicy. Let's just start throwing it and see what happens. So we got a bass over here. Definitely on a bed. Little one. Let's see. First bedfish. Oh, he's off. Shit.
I didn't even know he was on.
Damn. I got a bad hook set. It's not interested in it at all. There's that one.
That's working though. It's pissing her off. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish, babe. Oh, nice. Whew. Yes, guys. That took some work, but she got it. Yeah, boys. Nice. Courtesy of the late Fort guy on the little vibration thing, that pissed her off. Ooh. Oh yeah, she smells good. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful spawning fish. Nailed the Bandito bug. Let's go let you go, baby. Right back to her bed. Yes. Yes. All right. Cool, guys. Been fishing her about 20 minutes. Finally pissed her off. She ate the Bandito. Sweet. Let's see if we can get another one. That was fun. So it was a success, but I did a bad job of really spooking some big fish. Look, there he goes back on his bed. Well, looks like we're gonna be doing a lot of sight fishing today. Just caught a 3-pounder on a bed. Messed up some 4-pounders on some beds. We got a lot of fish on some beds back here, so let's see what we can do. Hell yeah, boys. Another spawner. Another spawner. Yo, that's a pretty little fish. Got a little black on her. Let's get a good release. Jumped right over. Nice, that son of a bitch. Let's see, I just felt some.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, boys. On the frog. On the frog, guys. I'm watching them blow up over here. Just go crazy. Ooh. Ooh, it's in the face. All right. He gulped it.
Tiger, bro. Hey.
Well, it was a tough day. We're just gonna wrap it up for the night. I'll probably make just one video out of this one. We caught a handful of fish today. It's pretty cool. Caught some off their beds, but other than that, there wasn't many on their beds, and the ones that were there were fished pretty hard. So it was pretty tough. But caught one fish just a little bit ago on the frog. There was a bunch jumping out. I couldn't get any to jump. Yeah, guys, we'll see if we can't get on them tomorrow. We're gonna wrap this one up though. We'll see y'all in the second half of it. We're gonna go make some burgers.